Hi friends, today I'm here to share my Ragi Neer Dosa recipe. This is very easy to make and very tasty. I'm using sprouted ragi milk to make this recipe. Normal ragi milk also will work very well. If you want to see how ragi milk is made, please refer to my video. The link is in the description. Now I have taken about half liter of ragi milk and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ragi flour into this. Mix it very well and make sure there are no lumps. As you can see, the batter is very thin, watery and flowy. This is how the batter should be. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into this and give it a nice mix. I'm also going to add some chopped curry leaves and green chilies into this now. If you don't like the flavor of curry leaves, you can avoid it and put spinach leaves instead. Now here goes in my finely chopped green chilies. You don't have to add green chilies if you don't like the dosa to be spicy. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Your support is really appreciated. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of finely chopped shallot onions into this now. These are all optional, however, this will give a really nice flavor to your dosa. Now I'm going to grease my cast iron tawa with gingerly oil, also known as sesame seed oil. And I'm going to pour my batter into this hot tawa evenly. Make sure all the gaps are covered and make sure your tawa is on high heat while you're pouring the batter. This will get nicely cooked and become very crispy in 2 minutes time. Please do not cover it because it will get soggy if you cover it. Now as you can see, the color has changed a bit and it has become lightly golden brown. Now this is the time you can fold it. You don't have to flip it to the other side. It is nice and crispy already and it is ready to be eaten. So this dosa is so easy to make, no fermentation needed. If you have some ragi milk in the fridge, simply you can make it in the morning. This goes really well with tomato chutney or coconut chutney. This dosa is highly nutritious and diabetic friendly. This is packed with protein and minerals and this is completely gluten free. Now if you like this video, please hit the like button now. Also, please try this recipe yourself and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.